No, I promise the people I'm going to go live and expose this boy, Mavado.
So the brother here I say some really serious thing, people. You see me, him named Danny. Him and Mavado that in a one pick right there. So further down in a video you can see what going. But him are the same brother we go viral on the news. We see him empty the Glock in my chest and keep taking it. See a video for me.
When he fly my door open, the only thing he do is stuck the AK in my face. And my gun was right there and what you doing? And that's how I get it.
Yo, what that a trend? Oh, the trend did dance. What go on peeps to work with another video, please consider subscribing all new viewers and click the notification bell to not miss out. Alright, so by now you're supposed to subscribe. Is it? Me I make a video well hot and spicy. You see me, so that brother here did feature on over the song of time go viral. You see me, the same top shot is back.
Spread the word. Top shot. Yeah, well, I say greetings in the name of the Most High God. See, for walk with him every day. I'm the real king. Everything else too is fake. No, I promise the people I'm going to go live and expose this boy, Mavado. You know who is the rug rat Mavado from Cassava Piece. All them boys that you talk about, them run Cassava Piece. Them not run no Cassava Piece. Lie I tell. I'm not giving you a history. For this moment, tell you now. You see the other day, the boy go to town. See, I'm in a club. The boy smoke crack. He pop pill. He snort coke. And he drink lean. People, you know what is lean? Jamaica people. You hear the name, but I know some don't know what is lean. I'm there before them boys, so I'm going to expose it and tell you what is lean. Lean is liquid heroin. Okay? It's liquid heroin. And this is what I'm going to tell you now again. The boy left. And say I go to town, I'm in a club. And I do all of them things there. He might smoke weed. He might drink lean, liquid heroin. He might pop pill. He might smoke crack. And I snort coke. And hey, the man, what am I brethren? Give him a spliff. I mean, I will call the man name. For the man that's so big over here, I mean, I will call him name. And if he want to go live, I say, yeah, me give him a film business. The man give him a spliff. The spliff for the man give him is a clean spliff. No farmer drugs now in the spliff. A pure weed the man give him. For the man, them say them even check the spliff where that smoke after I'm drunk. Some man say I drink too much and they say I'm drunk or what have you. If I'm pass out. Them carry me in a room. Them take him off of the floor where I'm drop in the club and carry me in a room. So the gangster they miss him. They never know what go on. So the man them say, where Mavado? Oh, Mavado pass out him in a room and there's some man a fan him. When the man them go in there, the man them find Mavado butt ass naked. Butt ass naked. With 5 men inside of the room. I give him CPR. No boy can't give me CPR. You have to make me dead. If I wake up out of that coma, I know says a man they make give me CPR. A serious thing. Only girl give me CPR. Okay? So me my John. Remember me telling you, make me John. No try to save me for giving a CPR for all the man there. Make me John. So them boy after chain long time. And when I try to tell you is this, you have a next one up here hang with him named Alkaline. The two of them they are lean. The two of them are pop pill. And I smoke crack and I do the most. Saying? And they say a joke. Jamaica people don't know this. I know why the man them rape my father in the club. But I'll tell you why they rape him in the club, you know. He was one of the biggest rapers that Cassava Piece back in the days, in case you don't never know. You see that big bus up there, see on eye? A soldier do it. Soldier beat the fuck out of him and bust up him face. And him run left cassava piece and say him gonna cut here and say him a barber. Then little after the pussy I hang with Gaza. Him sell out the gully and sell out Gaza. $25,000 for build the center. And Drake never take back $100. Cassava piece people never see $1. Him run left Jamaica and come to Florida. And where the boy I do? With all of the money we see him a fuck up. He must smoke crack. He must snort coke. He must drink lean. Lean is heroin. Liquid heroin. And that he must drink. He must smoke weed. He must pop pill. And I mixed up with liquor. See? Fall out in the club. The man then put him in a room and 5 men go in the room go rape him. So all of you look a gully bag and gully rug rats running around here talking all that shit. And that's the only thing you know. If you ask him about the 5 men and rape him. Upstate. Saying, me hear everything from the same night. But the reason why the man them rape him, the boy rape a gala from Grand Spain already. And that made the soldier them bust up him face. You know the worst part of it? Them used to rape every girl go through the gully. My friend live at Grand Spain and right now the war down at Grand Spain and man say, yo, I go up my little woods part of cassava piece go chill, you know. Within 1 month, Fraud and them friend them rape the girl. Me, to show you it's a small world. Me, and a youth named Jigo. See? And a youth named Jigo from Akiwak. And next youth named Chizibadi from Sherlock. And 2 more youth from Akiwak we never know. We ride go up there every day I look for them. And we couldn't find them. But what make them get wet? The soldier them find them before we. Saying, I mean at the studio I do things he might never know so we did it. And me did I look for him for done him and him friend them. When them rape my blood clot friend. That up a cassava piece. A dumb girl in a dan. For you the girls, you know. Her ears, she don't hear properly. See? And she don't speak well. She can't hear at all as much as me know. But she not talk. See? And the little girl was only going 14 years old when this pussy raped my friend daughter. That would take it up and go look for them. But the soldier them find him first. Then after the soldier them find him, I mash him down and carry him go to Constant Spring, go lock him up. He end up a half a tree. If you think I lie, me I tell, check the record, check the record at Jamaica, see how much time my father lock up at Jamaica for rape. In that Constant Spring to half a tree, and the boy been locked up for a good little bit too, for I never see him again. Until after a while, I start hear about this my father. Then when I take a stock of the Gaza I'm hang with me, I say, yo, I don't know rating for the Gaza man if this a boy there Gaza. For the same pussy this we look for kill, for rape the dumb girl. And them used to rape everything got through cassava piece. So them boy are raper from back in the days. And I tell you that straight at the baker talk. And all I'm looking rug rat them where I run round. And I send things to my phone. Me not scared of none of them. I mean the baker. You understand who's a baker? I'm the baker. But them boy I know about me. You know which politics war me fight at Jamaica? You know what things the baker been through? Where them little baby I come from? One come strive with the baker. A 3 man come for me one for murder me. Saying I'm end up done one of them on my foot. And the other 2 run like blood clot Usain Bolt. You see me I say, I'm doing it straight to the Jamaica people. Only me I talk to you know. But nobody know all them things you know. For only them know so the boy I get raped upstate the other day, you know. Him rape the man them rape him out the other day. Him in the club and fall out, them put him in the room. You know why I call proof to it? You know why I call